The universe, vast and intricate, is a powerful testament to the oneness of Allah, Tawheed. From the grandeur of galaxies to the precision of natural laws, every element in the cosmos points to a singular creator, deserving of all worship. This article explores how the universe, through its design and function, affirms Tawheed both scientifically and spiritually. 1. The universe as a sign of Allah. The Quran frequently invites humans to reflect upon the natural world as evidence of Allah's existence and oneness. Quranic evidence. Indeed, in the creation of the heavens and the earth and the alternation of the night and the day are signs for those of understanding. Quran 3, 190. Logical reflection. The harmony and precision of the universe, from the orbits of planets to the balance of ecosystems, cannot be the product of random chance. Example. The Earth's perfect distance from the Sun ensures temperatures suitable for life. A slight deviation would render the planet inhospitable. Modern science highlights the fine-tuning of the universe, where physical constants and natural laws are precisely calibrated to support life. Scientific perspective. The gravitational constant, the speed of light, and the cosmological constant are all finely tuned. The probability of these constants aligning by chance is astronomically low. Quranic reflection. He created the heavens without pillars that you see and has cast into the earth firmly set mountains, lest it should shift with you. Quran 31:10. Logical conclusion. Such fine-tuning implies a deliberate creator who designed the universe with purpose and wisdom. The consistency of natural laws across the cosmos reflects the unity of their creator. Quranic evidence. You will not find in the creation of the most merciful any inconsistency, so return your vision to the sky. Do you see any breaks? Quran 67:3. The laws of physics operate uniformly, from subatomic particles to vast galaxies. Logical reflection. A single set of laws governing the entire universe suggests a single source of authority, Allah. The question of the universe's origin is a central theme in both science and theology. The Big Bang theory aligns with the Quranic description of creation. Scientific perspective. The Big Bang marks the beginning of time, space, and matter. Before this event there was nothing, a concept that defies natural explanation without invoking a creator. Quranic reflection. Have those who disbelieved not considered that the heavens and the earth were a joined entity, and we separated them and made from water every living thing? Then will they not believe? Quran 21:30. Logical conclusion. The Quranic description predates modern cosmology, affirming its divine origin and pointing to Allah's oneness. The intricate web of life on Earth, from microscopic organisms to complex ecosystems, demonstrates design and purpose. Scientific perspective. Ecosystems are interdependent, with each species playing a vital role. The oxygen-carbon dioxide exchange between humans, animals, and plants is an example of this balance. Quranic reflection. And we have placed within the earth firmly set mountains lest it should shift with them, and we made therein mountain passes as roads that they might be guided. Quran 21:31. Logical reflection. Such balance and interdependence reflect the wisdom of a single creator managing all aspects of life. The Quran's mention of the universe's expansion aligns with modern astronomical discoveries. Quranic evidence. And the heaven we constructed with strength, and indeed we are its expander. Quran 51:47. Scientific perspective. Edwin Hubble's observation of galaxies moving away from each other confirmed the universe's expansion. Logical reflection. The Quran's reference to this phenomenon over 1,400 years ago highlights its divine origin. Every aspect of the universe, from its vastness to its minutiae, reflects intentionality and purpose. Quranic evidence. And we did not create the heaven and the earth and that between them in play. Quran 21:16. Examples. The precise tilt of Earth's axis allows for seasons. The moon's gravitational pull stabilizes Earth's rotation. Logical conclusion. The absence of randomness in creation points to Allah's oneness and wisdom. The Quran repeatedly emphasizes that the creation of the universe is a sign of Allah's oneness and majesty. Quranic evidence. Say, who is Lord of the heavens and the earth? Say, Allah. Quran 13:16. It is Allah who created the heavens and the earth and whatever is between them in 6 days. Then he established himself above the throne. Quran 32:4. Logical reflection. The unity in creation, from the smallest atom to the largest galaxy, echoes the oneness of the Creator. Conclusion. The universe, with its precision, vastness, and intricate design, serves as a testament to Tawheed. It invites humanity to reflect on the signs of Allah and recognize His oneness, power, and wisdom. By contemplating the cosmos, believers strengthen their faith and deepen their appreciation of Allah's majesty. Quranic reflection. And of His signs is the creation of the heavens and the earth, and the diversity of your languages and your colors. Indeed, in that are signs for those of knowledge. Quran 30:22.